In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Leadpages WordPress plugin. This is an essential tool if you want to create stunning landing pages effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you'll manage all your website's content and settings. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Next, go to Plugins, then click on Add New Plugin. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. They add features and functionalities, enhancing what you can do. By selecting Add New, you're opening up a world of possibilities to customize your site. This step is crucial because having the right plugins can significantly impact your site's performance and capabilities. In the search box, type Leadpages. This search functionality allows you to quickly find the exact plugin you need among thousands available. Make sure you type the name correctly to avoid any confusion. As you type, WordPress will automatically start searching for the plugin, showing you results in real time. This saves you time and ensures you're getting the most relevant options. Find the Leadpages plugin and click Install Now. You will see a list of results, but focus on the one that is simply named Leadpages. It should be the first or among the top results. Clicking Install Now does exactly what it sounds like. It begins the installation process. This is important because it loads the necessary files into your WordPress site. You'll notice an installation progress indicator, reassuring you that the process is underway. After installation, click Activate. This step is critical because installing a plugin alone doesn't make it functional. Activating it is like flipping the switch to turn it on. You will receive a confirmation message once it's activated, letting you know that everything is set up properly. Now your Leadpages plugin is live and ready to be used. With the plugin activated, you're all set to start creating beautiful and effective landing pages. This is a powerful tool that enables you to engage your audience and drive conversions with ease. Remember, using the right tools can make a significant difference in achieving your online goals. To wrap up, installing and activating the Leadpages plugin is a straightforward process that opens up new avenues for your website. Whether you're an experienced webmaster or just starting out, this plugin is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Thank you for following along, and happy landing page building.